Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be talking about all of my favorite products that I've been loving in the month of March. Before we get into the video, I want to give a shout out to my girl Catherine at Cathcraft and also at Canshi. She's a super talented makeup artist and also an artist in general. She does prints and tapestries. She's just incredible. We've been friends for a long time. I recreated her look today. If you guys want to check it out, go look on my Instagram. I've been working really hard on my Instagram. But anyways, I'm going to leave her Instagram at here and here. Make sure you guys show her love. She is incredible. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I have a lot of products to talk about, so I'm going to try and get through it rather quickly. But I'm about to put you guys on so many good things. I've been trying a lot of new products, and now that I'm filming, it's the very beginning of April, and I already have a bunch of new products that I've been trying, which will have to wait until April favorites. But just stay tuned, you guys, because since I started at Sephora, I've been buying a lot of things, as you probably saw in my big Sephora haul. Go check it out if you haven't. A lot of those products I'll be mentioning again today because I've been using them constantly. And also I've been given a lot of products too. So yeah, there's just a lot of really great things that I didn't know I needed, and now I have it, and I don't think I could do without these products. So let's start with skincare, okay? The first thing is this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Yes, okay. So this is like a hydrating mist. I love this so much. I already have the rose water and the green tea one. I love them all equally the same. Honestly, I don't notice like a big difference. To me, it's basically like the scents are a little bit different, and I like to try the new ones. They are only $7 at Ulta. I like to use them morning and night after I do all of my skincare, and then I just spritz my face. It adds that extra hydration. And it just makes my face feel really nice and refreshed. So highly recommend you guys go and pick at least one of them up. All of them are great. Okay, next thing I picked up at Sephora, and this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Just trust me, you need this mask in your life. It is a sleeping mask. So if you haven't tried a sleeping mask before, basically you do all of your skincare like normal, and then you put this on just after your regular moisturizer. Then you go to sleep, and when you wake up, your skin just feels so soft and amazing, at least with this mask. And not to mention, it smells like watermelon. It smells so delicious. You put it on your face. It's like that lightweight gel-based formula that I love. So it's like not too heavy, but it really gives you that extra hydration, and your skin just feels amazing the next day. So you guys need to try it out from Sephora. I think this size is like 20 something dollars. The next item I've been loving is this Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. Again, from Sephora. I talked about this in my haul, but you guys, I've been using this a lot, and it really hydrates my lips. I freaking love it. I've been using it constantly, and my lips have not been as crusty as they normally are, so definitely recommend pick it up. The next thing that I have been using a lot and loving is this IGK Beach Club Texture Spray. I did show this again in my Sephora haul, but you guys, I have been using this a lot, and especially when I curl my hair like today. You think I have this much volume without this? Absolutely not. Like, let me just put a little bit more, even give myself that like extra like nice voluminous hair. This stuff smells wonderful, and it gives me volume, which my hair just lays so flat. This is exactly what I need, or this is exactly what you need if you have really flat hair like me. Try it out. Also, I want to talk about a fragrance. You guys, I'm so picky when it comes to fragrances. Last month I talked about my favorite Chanel fragrance, and that's like basically just my go-to. That's the one that I like haven't strayed away from. But I have been getting more into fragrances, and I think I want to start buying more. So I just picked up this Chloe Nomad fragrance. Let me just spray some right now because I don't have any fragrance on. Oh, it smells so good. I love it because it's sweet, but it also has that little kick of spicy at the end. It's like a floral with liqueur. I'm getting better at like describing scents, so hopefully this is helpful. It almost smells like cinnamony, but it doesn't have any cinnamon in it. It just is delicious. I recommend go to Sephora and smell it. Spray it all over yourself. It smells fabulous. So I have 3 pairs of lashes to talk about. First one being my Ardell 206 lashes. I'm not going to show you a close-up because they're like kind of grimy. Like I've been using these a lot. But these ones are just really beautiful natural lashes, but they also give like that beautiful length. And a lot of people ask me if I'm wearing lash extensions when I have these on because they look like that natural lash extension type of effect. The next one are Bombshell Lashes. Again, not going to show a close-up because I've been using them a lot and they're grimy. They are kind of like tapered at the end, so they give more of that cat eye effect. So whenever I have like a wing liner or something like that and I want my eyes to look really big and like cat eye, these are what I'll go for. And then the next one, last pair of lashes that I've been loving, are from a brand called Slay Lash on Instagram, and they are in the style Slayer. Oh, which is great because apparently I don't even have them in here. Wait, you guys, I'm so stupid. These are the lashes that I have on my on my eyes right now. I'm like, where are they? Did I lose them? They're on my eyes right now. I've been loving these lashes. Every time I wear them, I get compliments. I get people asking me, what lashes are you wearing? They're the Slay Lashes in Slayer that I have on my eyes right now. I'm going to talk about a few eyeshadow palettes. First being Soft Glam by Anastasia. You guys already know. This palette is stunning. I've been using it so much, and I know it's like another neutral palette, but you guys, you can't beat this formula. It's great. Check out my last video, is a tutorial using this palette. It is so easy to use and you can create so many different looks, so highly recommend. The next palette is a Sephora Pro editorial palette, which this one is a lot more fun. I did use this one. Actually, I used a few of the colors in this today to create the look that I have on my eyes. I want to be really careful with it because when I ordered this one, this lash shade here was broken and missing, so I want to be careful not to drop it and break any more of the shadows because I guess they're fragile. This is the perfect palette if you guys need some color in your life and like some really pigmented color. I've been doing a lot of colorful looks lately. Again, check my Instagram, like shameless self-promo throughout this whole video. I've been doing a lot of colorful looks and this palette has saved me. These shades are stunning and so fun, and I love this giant mirror that it has. So yeah, you guys need that. Speaking of color, Sephora Blue Mascara. This is just a Sephora brand. $5, okay? This was $5 freaking dollars. The wand is like big and chubby, but I've been using this a lot on my lower lash line when I do a blue look, which I've done a few lately, and it's just really beautiful. I think it might be sold out, but if it's not, I would like look for it at Sephora. It's really good. I should have talked about this while I was on the lashes, but this is the Duo Brush On Lash Adhesive. I can't say it. Duo Brush On Lash Adhesive. There we go. So I've been using the regular Duo, and for some reason I had been getting really irritated dry eyes and I wasn't sure why, and so I stopped using it and I started using this, and I haven't had any type of irritation, and it keeps my lashes on very nice. I feel like it dries down a little easier. Mine is like really grimy. Don't mind it. I've been liking this. The only issue, it does leave a little bit of residue after I remove my lashes and take off my makeup. There's still that lash residue, which is what the House of Lashes lash glue did to my eyes, and that is like such a pet peeve. I don't want to sit there picking off the lash glue. If you guys have suggestions of a different lash glue that isn't the House of Lashes or the original Duo, let me know, because I'm down to try something else that doesn't leave that residue but will keep my lashes on and not irritate me. Is that so much to ask? I don't know. Next up is concealer, and I bet you guys never thought you'd see the day that I'd be talking about a concealer other than Shape Tape. Well, today is that day, and it is the ColourPop no filter concealer. It is only $6, I believe, and I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. This stuff is fabulous. It's no Shape Tape, but it does give a really beautiful coverage, and for $6 it's really nice. I haven't been using it every day. It hasn't replaced my Shape Tape, but I've been using it quite a bit. Okay, I'm down to the last 3 items. Oh, I feel like I haven't even caught a breath. I've been talking so fast trying to get through these products so my video isn't like 100 years long like it normally is. I have a highlighter to talk about, and this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlight. This is what I have on my cheeks right now. This is stunning. If you are fair like me, this is like a dream. This is so blinding. You can see, and I just mix both of the shades because I don't want to be wasteful. I do like the sparkly one a little bit more, but I like to mix them both, and I've been using this every single day. Also, blush I've been loving, and this is the little one that I got in my Sephora birthday gift like a long time ago. Not that long ago, it might have been like a year ago or whatever, but this is the Tarte Party Blush, and they actually do sell it in stores, so even though it was a birthday gift, they do sell the full size. But this color is such a beautiful neutral shade. I've been using it a lot. One more item left, and this is something that I've been obsessed with as well. I've been obsessed with all of this. That's very repetitive of me. I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with all of these items. But this is the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss Bomb. And this is like the perfect nude gloss. And you can wear it on its own, but it looks so beautiful on top of any lipstick. And it just gives that like perfect nude gloss effect. Again, it smells amazing. Smells like vanilla. Yes, I love it. Okay, that is basically all of the products that I have in front of me. I'm sure I forgot something because I feel like I've been using so many things. This has been like the month of makeup. I've really been feeling more inspired, and I've been trying so many new things, and I know my April favorites is going to be way more things than this because it's only April 3rd and I've already tried so many things. So stay tuned for that video, and I also have a lot of fun tutorials coming, themed tutorials. I don't know, maybe prom, maybe festival looks. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see. And also, I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing a really big giveaway once I reach 2,000 subscribers. So if you guys hit that subscribe button and also the little bell to turn on your post notifications so you actually are seeing my videos, that would make me so happy. And if you guys leave me a comment and like this video, that makes me so happy. I love reading your comments. I just love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye.